Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 234. If we start with this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and, no, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got the 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7, 8 here, so 1, 8. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 9. And for this row, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 9, no help here, 5, 6, 9, and no help here, 5, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. Now we'll do some cleanup here. This 5 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. And I think there may be a mistake somewhere, but we'll see. So this 9 makes this our 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 2, 6, and that 2 makes this our 3 and 2. All right, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.